Hey everyone, Christmas. Let's learn how to make Christmas Swiss roll. It's not very hard to do. First, let's mix cherry powder and matcha powder with water in a bowl. Once done, leave it aside for now. Add 50 g of corn oil and 50 g full cream milk into the bowl and mix them. Mix it until it becomes a smooth mixture. Then add 60 g flour. After that add 4 egg yolks and mix them well. Divide the mixture into 2 parts. The first part is the red part. Mix the red part with the first portion. Mix the matcha part with the second portion. Mix well. Once done, leave it aside for now. Add 4 egg whites and half a teaspoon of lemon juice, blend it into a mixture. Once you get big bubbles, add 40 g of sugar. Mix it well until you get smaller bubbles. Add another portion of sugar and blend it again. Continue to do this until you get smooth texture. Add the final portion of sugar. Once you get a cream mix, it's done. Divide the cream into 2 portions. First, put the red cream into the cream and fold it. Then put the matcha cream into the second half and fold it. Once both done, put it into plastic bag. Get ready baking tray and baking paper. Squeeze the red mixture into the baking tray. Followed by the matcha mixture. Get ready to bake it. Tune oven to 165 degree and bake it for 25 minutes. When it's done, let it cool down. Prepare 200 g cream cheese and blend until smooth creamy look. Remove cake from the tray and flip it over. Apply the cream cheese on top. And roll it up. Move it to the fridge and keep it for 30 minutes. Once the Swiss roll shape is formed, cut it into the size you like. For the extra cream, squeeze it onto of the cake. Then we start to make the snowman. Cut strawberry into 2 parts as shown. Insert cream in between. Use black sesame as eyes and nose. Add some cream at the top of strawberry. Finally, sprinkle icing on top.